Your 3-minute question and answer period for the Scotiabank Climate Action Challenge will now begin. How did you design your evaluation process to effectively measure your project's climate impact?
So, firstly, we looked at the food waste that is generated by City of Toronto in 1 year, and we found out online that about 2.2 million tons of food waste is generated by City of Toronto only in 1 year, and this generates 9.8 million tons of greenhouse gas. So then we figured out that for our soap, which is Cobino, we divert about 20 grams of coffee waste, which is a type of food waste per soap. So taking that into consideration, for every 1,000 soaps that we produce, we are able to eliminate 90 kgs of greenhouse gas. And for a 5 year plan that we have, we will be able to eliminate about 9,000 kilograms of greenhouse gas.
How has COVID-19 impacted your project?
In terms of COVID-19, since the Bean is a product-based project, we had to adhere several guidelines and several challenges in terms of transporting our product. There were times when people had to hop on to subway stations and then reach out to other team members in order to ensure the delivery. And in terms of hygiene, the person who is producing the soap, the team members are advised and are required to wear protective gear to ensure the safety and hygiene of the product.
Do you have plans to scale your project? Why and how?
Yes, we do have a plan to scale our project because our needs assessment has shown that there's a lot of wasted coffee grounds that end up in the landfill and create greenhouse gas emissions, and we want to reduce this. In order to scale our project, we have a production plan in place. We are planning to forecast the demand through social media contests, sample surveys, brick and mortar sales through our first partner. We're going to compare this forecast demand to our break-even point analysis and decide if we have the capabilities to meet the annual production rates. From there, we're going to create a master production schedule for the period, decide on location, decide on production layout and personnel training. Once finalized, we will start gathering data on metrics such as takt time, cycle time, turnover rates, defects per million opportunities, track all these results and apply what we have learned from studying in George Brown and combine it with Lean Six Sigma methodology to continuously improve our production process, reduce waste and reduce our lead time.
What has been the biggest challenge you faced when implementing this project and how did you overcome it?
As mentioned,
your time has now expired. Thank you, Enactus George Brown College.